Outdoor hot tubs offer a compact, portable, and often more affordable way to enjoy hydrotherapy, year-round relaxation, and social gatherings without the commitment of a full-size resort tub. The category spans inflatable and semi-permanent designs, with notable differences in jet counts, insulation, heating efficiency, materials, and control options. Product number 1. Intex 28483E Simple Spa Inflatable Hot Tub, 4-person, bubble massage spa. Includes insulated. The 28483E Simple Spa 4-person inflatable hot tub emphasizes quick setup, 100 bubble jets, and built-in hard water treatment. With inner dimensions of 57 by 57 by 26 inches and an outer diameter of 77 inches, it targets small to mid-sized patios and families seeking a budget-friendly spa with robust bubble massage. The integrated control unit supports cup and phone storage, and the tub includes an insulated cover and ground cloth to minimize heat loss. A 210-gallon capacity and 13-amp power draw are standard for this class, and the 1-year manufacturer warranty provides basic protection. Notably, it cannot be shipped to several U.S. states due to distribution restrictions, which may affect purchase feasibility for some buyers. Performance-wise, the 100 jets deliver a concentrated bubble massage around all seating positions, which can feel intense for sensitive users, but very relaxing for those who enjoy pulsating air therapy. The built-in hard water treatment helps reduce mineral buildup, improving water quality with less maintenance, though it may still require routine chemical balancing like any inflatable spa. In real use, the setup is quick, inflation is manageable with 2 people, and the insulated cover helps maintain temperatures during cool evenings. The lack of integrated app control or wireless features means manual monitoring is necessary, which some users may view as a drawback compared to more advanced app-enabled rivals. Product number 2. Intex Simple Spa Inflatable Hot Tub. This 6-person model expands capacity to 290 gallons and features 140 heated bubble jets, delivering a warmer and more expansive massage experience. The tub retains Intex's familiar control unit with cup/phone holder, along with an energy-efficient cover and ground cloth to minimize heat loss. With a larger footprint, approximately 85 inches diameter and 26 inches tall, and the same 13-amp power requirement, it aims to balance family-friendly size with economical operation. Like the smaller Simple Spa, it uses a built-in hard water treatment system and remains a straightforward blow-up option suitable for temporary outdoor setups and seasonal use. In use, the 140 jets provide variegated air massage that can fill the entire tub, offering a more immersive experience for groups. The larger water volume means slower heat-up times if the spa is cold-soaked, but the energy-efficient cover helps offset this. App-based or wireless features are absent here, so users rely on the control unit for temperature and jet adjustments. Durability remains solid for an inflatable spa, with puncture resistance from the exterior mesh hull and the usual rapid setup that inflatable designs are known for. Weight and bulk can be a consideration for transport and storage when not in use. Product number 3. Intex 28439EP PureSpa Greywood Deluxe Inflatable Spa Set. Includes energy-efficient cover. The PureSpa Greywood Deluxe combines 4-person capacity with FiberTech beam construction for added structural stability and a removable wireless control panel that charges via integrated wireless charging. It also includes a spa control app and a powerful LED mood lighting kit, all designed to enhance remote operation and ambiance. The energy-efficient spa cover claims up to 50% heat retention improvement, and the package includes 2 contoured headrests for comfort. With 210 gallons and 140 jets, it sits at the premium end of the Intex inflatable line, emphasizing smart features alongside practical health and wellness functionality. Performance-wise, the control app and wireless panel offer a truly modern experience, allowing scheduling, maintenance reminders, and remote temperature management. The 48-hour charge life for the panel reduces on-tub interruptions, though it does rely on battery management that some users may need to monitor. The energy-efficient spa cover noticeably lowers heat losses, which can translate into lower operating costs over time, particularly in cooler climates. Product number 4. Vita XL Hot Tub Surround in stylish black poly rattan, durable with built-in storage. This Vita XL accessory is a durable, stylish round surround that's designed to fit tub diameters roughly around 111.4 inches outer and 79.9 inches inner, with a 21.7-inch height. It features a built-in storage solution and a cutout for a power pack, crafted from weatherproof eucalyptus and steel frame to withstand heavy traffic. It's not a spa itself, but a surrounding enclosure that can enhance aesthetics, reduce wind exposure, and simplify tidying up cables and accessories around the spa. It's ideal for consumers who want to elevate their outdoor setup with a modern, low-maintenance enclosure that complements larger inflatable or fixed spas. In practice, this surround can improve the spa's appearance and durability while providing practical storage options. The material choice, eucalyptus and poly-rattan-like finish, offers outdoor resilience, though it requires periodic maintenance like cleaning and treatment to prevent staining or weather damage. The product is best used in spaces where the tub is already in place, and the aim is to improve wind protection, privacy, and organization. Product number 5. Vivor Inflatable Hot Tub. The Vivor Inflatable Hot Tub seats 4 and uses 110 jets across a 70.9 by 70.9 by 26-inch footprint with a 211-gallon capacity. It emphasizes a smart temperature control system with a range of 68 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and a quick heating mechanism, supported by an integrated filtration system and a ground mat. The 3-layer PVC mesh construction is designed to resist tears and provide durability for outdoor use. Included is a multi-function control panel, a cover, and a mat, making it a comprehensive, budget-friendly option with practical features for casual use and travel-friendly setup. In practice, the Vivor's 110 jets deliver a bubbly massage experience comparable to mid-range inflatable spas, with temperature stability aided by precise control. The integrated filtration helps maintain water clarity between uses, though the absence of op control means manual operation remains necessary. The tub's material is robust for an inflatable market, and the included cover reduces heat loss when outdoors. It's well suited for small families or couples who want a reliable spa with decent massage at a lower price tier, but buyers should be mindful of potential long-term durability concerns common to inflatable models and ensure proper storage during off-season.